welcome back to my channel today, Ageless Beauty Nation, and we are doing a challenge. This is the Ting 14-day ab shred challenge. I got my water, I got my waist trainer, and we're going to do some measurements. And this is the actual challenge. You will find all of her videos on YouTube. She has multiple challenges to choose from. She has this one, the hourglass challenge. She also have a lower body workout. She has a lower ab workout and so much more. So run over to her channel if you want to check that out and see, what exercises are good for you. So we're going to get started. I'm starting out by measuring myself. I'm starting out at 35 inches. As you can see on the tape measure, because I wanted to make sure I do a before and I do an after. And so I'm at 35 inches at the waist. Don't look like it. I'm 5'10", so maybe that's why. Here's my ab waist trainer, I should say, that I'm using with this one. I actually have two of them, so I might be switching on and off between the two. But that's how it works, giving me back support and everything too as well. Also check with your doctor before doing any exercise. So I'm doing a light little stretch to get myself prepared. I don't know what to expect with this. I've seen the other girls on the other channels who do this challenge, and it looks easy when you look at it, but I don't know. We'll see. So follow the journey throughout the video. I'm not going to talk all the way through the video, but I wanted to kind of give you a beginning. So this is exactly how I'm going to start out. I will tell you that I didn't change my diet much. I don't eat a lot of unhealthy foods anyway. I might have a cheat day or something like that, but I didn't really make any big changes to my diet. So try it either way, what's best for you. I drink a lot of water. I try to make sure that my digestive system is, cleaning out everything. So we'll see how this works with everything. I will tell you also too that the first day is going to be tough. Day 2 and 3, it's still tough, but it gets better. So just hang in there. But you'll see my journey, and you'll see what I went through throughout this challenge from day 1 through day 14. And then again, make sure you stick around so at the end of the video, watch the video and see the journey, and then stick around to the end to actually see my results. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch, and I will talk to you in a minute. So we are finally at day number 14. It's been a long journey. I'm going to show you the last day of everything that I've done, and then I will be back to talk about my final results. See you then. The challenge is finally over. Oh my God, what a journey. So let's talk about my results. Okay, so I started out day one at 35 inches around my waist and ended up at a 30-inch waist. So I dropped about 5 inches. I did use my waist trainer in this particular challenge. So here's a picture of me showing my results of my abs. Oh my God, I really am proud of myself. It was a long journey. You should try it too. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.